So this cart's been here for about 2 years, and for most of those 2 years it was tied to the track up until a couple of weeks ago when me and my dad came up here and noticed that it was in fact not. So of course we got on it and took it for a joyride down the track, which was pretty fun. And then this random family got on it with us, so now we had like 6 people on the cart. Better slow down, I don't know if it's gonna make it over the switch. Didn't throw it properly. Alright. Well, no derailment. Good. Yeah, well, it will. And then on Saturday night, me and my friends and my sister's friends were all over, and we had nothing better to do, so we drove all the way back out here to take it for a joyride a second time. By the stop sign, that's it.
Then I see it. Then.
You know, from the Wile E. Coyote cartoons? I don't know. I don't think they care. They'll probably think it's cool. Well, I don't frankly know. Clearly there's supposed to be something through this bearing, but see if we can jam a stick or something through that, then good.
Yeah, that's
Let's find a stick. It's like...
Oh, it's supposed to go like that. You're supposed to be able to seesaw it.
Huh? Yeah, no, it has to go right through this thing.
Okay, there.
There we go. Okay, we're in.
Okay, come
Good.
on, guys.
Let's go, guys. Damn switch. You can do it on a model railway. It can't be that hard.
God, what if the cops come back?
No, wait, guys, the cart, it's rolling away. No, we need to push it back.
There. Okay, got it.
Okay, wait. Okay, we need to push it a little further. There we go, okay. And now... Yeah, you're right. Here, I got it.
No.
There, go. Quick, put the core
Huh?
over it.
No, that goes... No, that's the wrong direction.
No, it's happening.
Okay, there we go.
It was already...
Got it.
Go.
Go, I won't see.
No, it's not, you need to pull it a little further.
No, you don't.
Yeah, it needs to be
the other
shut.
side.
There you go. Okay, good.
Oh,
Or wait, wrong way. Okay, let's go.
Are you guys gonna...
Bye, guys. Have a great day. See you later. Not too fast. No, don't. It's cool. It's crazy that people used to travel like this many miles, eh? Can you imagine? Yeah.
This was very bad.
Of course it is. Oh boy, nature's having its soul. There was no signs not to take it. There are literally steps up there. Welcome aboard. Oh guys, the switch isn't thrown here either. Crap, we need to stop the cart. Okay, wait, let's stop the cart. We need to flip the switch here too. That way's probably more maintained. No guys, get on it, it'll be fun. Why are you stopping it?
I'm not stopping it. I'm pushing it.
Huh? Oh, it's because it's in the weeds.
Here, wait, pull it back and then we'll push it.
I hope that stick doesn't break.
Okay, I got it.
No, but wait, guys, we need to ram the.
I know, we're gonna get a running
They're
start.
gonna ram it?
Okay.
Uh,
Stop. Okay, there we go.
ow.
Come on, weeds. I hope it doesn't derail. Guys, we did it! Okay, guys, we're going pretty fast now. Still on the track?
Yep, it's still on.
Oh man, guys, we're stuck again.
Only as far as you guys can get.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
No, we just need a good shove. Okay, here we go, the vital point. Well, guys, wait, slow down. I don't know if we'll make it across the crossing. Uh-oh, I think we're off the track. Guys, we've derailed.
Can't believe the sticks.
Oh, guys, it actually derailed on the crossing there.
Really?
Yeah.
Derailed now.
I think it's on the track. I think it's just hitting.
High. That's why it's the rock.
Oh
Okay, here we go. The Grand Chef, yeah.
Wait, we're not on the rails?
We're on the rail. We would have come off the track. Huh?
Totally not illegal anyway. Actually, no, it's not.
Oh yeah, there's no sign.
No, there was no sign saying not to take this thing.
Yeah, but
Oh, you want on now, do you? Here, wait, guys, stop
get a
it. No,
little
it's not
dizzy
safe.
now.
Here, just brake, slow down. It's like that stick goes while we're moving. Hey, we're going through nature again. The railroad, all the live long day.
We better stop.
We've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away.
Yo. No, just let it go. Just let it go.
Okay,
Take it right to
we'll
the
just
steps.
engine brake. Yeah. As long as we don't reach the road, then we're okay.
There we are.
our wings just broken.
Is that good?
Stick's definitely
You know
broken.
those big nails you have?
Oh yeah. What? What
Yeah.
about them?
The big nails at home.
Yeah.
Like those.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, just maybe the stick will still go in.
No, look, see?
Oh yeah, okay. Just put it back in. Wait, you need to get the bearing
Yeah.
straight. Okay, now go down.
There.
Okay, now run the stick through it really quick.
There.
Yeah.
Sturdy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I wouldn't count on that. Yeah, guys, don't go too fast. Nature. No, we've lost the transmission.
Okay, look.
Other way!
You just need to get another
Press it.
stick. Crap.
From here.
Very true.
Well, that probably looks somewhat cool.
Hey, get out of our way, pedestrians!
Biker guy thinks we're cool.
Hey! Oh, he thinks we're weird.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. It's like Stand By Me, except the entire track is grown in. Oh, poor Wakefield.
Have you seen that movie?
Yeah, it was a great movie. No, this ain't good. They don't even have a stop.
Oh, the track is gone.
Yeah, people have been stealing parts of the rail, I guess.
And it's gone.
No, there's still ties here, though.
Well, yeah, but.
Oh,
I
there's
mean,
the rail. What the hell?
What? Why is the wood
Yeah,
going
why did
all
they-
the way over
somebody-
here? But that's huge.
Actually, old people just run, but they don't move.
No, they go like this.
Yeah, what the heck? It's like they tore up the track, but they left the rail and ties.
No, they just. No, they just.
They just
walk.
run.
Moose Rail's gonna have a hard time building their railway now that they've built a school right on the right of way, which was here.
Then the
Chainsaw
side.
from hell.
No, it's only cause he.
Oh, Wakefield, Quebec. Oh.
I've
Here,
jumped on
do a
fire.
slow pan. Wow, wow, wow. It's pretty. Probably.
Why are you taking a video of the bridge?
Huh?
Why are you taking a video of the water?
For drama.
Drama?
Yeah, I have to give all my subscribers good content.
How many subscribers do you have?
490.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Oh yeah. Spot in the sand. Oh, that was beautiful. Cause it's a dog. What if it bites one of us? Huh? No, cause
Oh my lord.
no, but what if it bites one of us?
Careful, you might be wrapping up rabies.
Oh my gosh. You guys are just like.